This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the Emoji keyboard available on your device so WhatsApp can access it. Open Settings and go straight to Keyboard or Language and Input. This is where the system stores input methods. Enable the built-in Emoji keyboard or install a keyboard app like Gboard if it's not present. Once enabled, make sure the keyboard is allowed to run and has necessary permissions. This step matters because WhatsApp pulls emoji from whatever keyboard you're currently using, so preparation here saves time later. Now move into WhatsApp and open any chat so the keyboard appears. This is where you'll actually insert emoji. Tap the globe or emoji icon on your keyboard to switch instantly to emoji mode because WhatsApp uses the active keyboard for emoji input. If you installed a third-party keyboard like Gboard, long press the spacebar or tap the keyboard icon to pick it from the input method list. Once switched, you'll see categories and recently used emoji. Use them to speed up messages and convey tone more clearly. Finish by inserting emoji into your chat and tailoring them when needed. Tap any emoji to add it. Long press certain icons to choose skin tone or gender variations, which helps you match context and people. If the keyboard supports search, type a word like smile to find emoji quickly. Finally, if emoji appear blank or don't show, make sure both the keyboard app and WhatsApp are updated, then restart the app or your phone. That restart often fixes rendering or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.